Yeah, ne? Yeah. You see, me, I did not enjoy my December, guys. I must be honest. I did not enjoy my December. You'll just be shocked. You know, when you think that it's time for you to relax, you see, when you see that you're powerful and influential, it's when you're supposed to be with family. People are just calling you. When you're supposed to be relaxing, supposed to be enjoying yourself. I'm opening work. I can say work when I'm coming back, guys, on the call. On the 15th, official, I said so, right? On Monday. They won't take it. For them, doctor is a machine. You must always operate. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Missed calls. These are just missed calls. Missed calls. Missed calls. Missed calls. Missed calls. Missed calls. And people will say, now, Ref doesn't answer our calls. How do I answer calls when they're coming in thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands? How am I supposed to think? There's no way. No. So this is one of the reasons sometimes you guys see me, I'm quiet. I must breathe sometimes. Hey, today I saw something phenomenal. And I saw something phenomenal. And I think it makes a decision for me to say something. I'm going to say something right now in the next minute. You know what? Me appearing today with a person, people, you know, I'm always appearing with influential, I'm always with influential people. But I said, let me just put one guy there. Robert Kiyosaki. They said, it's a Photoshop. They said, there's no way everyone can be with there. And I mean, these guys are following me. How can you, I'm always saying to the haters, there's over 350,000 people who are following me on Instagram. There's well over 500, I'm showing both my personal and my pages as well. On Armageddon, on AFI, on the Art of Trading, on my personal page, who are following me on Facebook. But why follow me if you don't believe that a young guy can make it? Let me just, open the new year for my group. Let's put those things aside. Can I say something exciting? I'm inviting 6 people to my house for this new year. First of all, we must have our own drinks, we must have our own cognacs, whatever that you want. You'll tell me, some of you like the finest things. Come, let me share with you an opening lunch. Let me give you that personal experience of trading with me live. Remember, I want to do this thing after I open. Let me relax. Let me be with those people, 6 people. While I'm still on that, because I want to open the year with, I want to make the haters feel a bit shoo-shoo. Let me say something exciting now. I don't know. I want to do something exciting. Let me just say, in the next 48 hours, if you're serious, in the next 48 hours, many of you I know you want to meet with me, right? It's fine. But in the next 48 hours, let me just make something. Let me just shake something. Let me just shake a wall in the next 48 hours. I'm giving you an opportunity. Let me come and impart my grace. I know so many of you have already come to me via DM saying to me, Rev, we want to come and talk. We want you to come and address our crowds, everything. No. That time was not the time. Now I want to, before I shake a lot of people now, let me start with the people in the group. I only want one person. In the next 48 hours, send me a message. Send me a DM. Let me know. Even those people want to be the 6 people. Whether you are one of those people inviting me in the 6, it's fine. And just to show people that, we're not in this, I don't know, this has been in South Africa right now, it's in a recession. You see, that's when you see that people who are successful, people who are wealthy in life. I'm talking about Robert Kiyosaki. But this person, Robert Kiyosaki, he's been there for many, many years. Many people, they follow him. Just because today I've been with him, they start to say, that point has been preaching about these things, that means it's real. And now I must start showing that these people have always been knowing them. I must start posting me with any other top guys, because these are people, some of these guys, you know that, as a matter of fact, some people who are so top, they don't like pictures. You'll be so shocked, but now I must start taking pictures with them so I can show that, the haters, I want to hear what they're saying. There is no way, guys, that I can come to you like this. You meet with me like this, hey, Mr. Refoy, Dr. Refoy, and you still remain the same and go like that. And that is impossible. There is no way that we can brush shoulders, me and you, and you remain the same. That one, forget about it. That one, it does not exist in any life whatsoever. Reverend, wherever he shakes a crowd, number one, number two, he makes them move. And not only that, he makes them move. He makes them move. I understand the part, eh? He makes them move. I love giving. Remember, me, I've already achieved what I want. You can understand I'm only 22 years, I'm turning 23 this year. Why not give? Most of my mentors, if you would want to ask, he himself already was like, I won't lie. These people, you can't just meet with them. You must be having a serious net worth. As a matter of fact, they've got financial advisors that before they meet with someone, they must check their net worth. Is it really worth meeting with? These guys don't even advise you in your businesses if you don't have a good capital. I'm talking about millions of rands. So, you see, I'm moving away from that kind of a mindset. Not that they're all. You're paying for their value. But I'm moving away from that. I'm saying, you know what? This area of influence, it's like something you want to achieve in your life. You've always wanted to achieve it. You want people to have these blessings in a way. You want people to know how to trade. You want the community to be fine. And you're influential in it. It's about time that you call someone who doesn't want money, who doesn't want anything, to come there. And he will reward you for that. Why not? For the 8 hours is what I'm giving you. After that, guys, definitely, you can't blame doctor. At one time, guys, for 2 months, you don't be surprised when I'm saying I'm unavailable. I must rest, guys. 22-year-old burnout is serious. I'm sure some of you are doctors, you know. So, guys, just in closing, thank you so much. This is Happy New Year. This is Happy New Year mode. Let us have fun. Let us be safe. Let us, even when you invite me in an orderly manner. We are all matured in 2018 now. Even you, I'll call you a doctor. If you call me a doctor, I'll say doctor. You'll be shocked. Thank you so much, guys. This is Reverend. Let me move for the 8 hours is what I'm giving you. Just to make those outside people, those 350,000 people who are following me, not knowing what they want, just to see that there is something happening with this man. Shaya.